Hi everyone, I am Dr. U.S. Srivastav, retired reader from KGK Homeopathic Medical College, Moradabad. Today I am going to discuss key points of arsenic album, which is the remedy in homeopathy recommended as a prophylaxis for COVID-19 by Ministry of Ayush. Arsenic covers very prominent features of COVID-19 like fever, cough, breathlessness, and fatigue. Arsenic is one of the great remedy for anguish, for restlessness, and the patient is having no strength to move, but he is very restless. Try to move from here and there. In the cases of fever, there is thirst for a small quantity of cold water at little interval, and the patient is so prostrated, the face is hypocritic, pale face with cold sweat. In the cases of arsenic, it is one of the remedy for burning, great burning, particularly in the part, feels as if a coal applied to the part. Burning with most of the complaints, and this burning is very peculiar, relieved by warm application. But only the head symptoms are sometimes better by cold application. The restlessness of arsenic is very peculiar one. The patient having mental and physical restlessness, and there is also fear of death. The patient thinks that it is useless to take medicine. Sometimes there is suicidal disposition, and the patient thinks that he is surely going to die. The thirst of arsenic is very peculiar and striking feature of the arsenic patient. That is, the patient drinks very little at a time and drinks very frequently. And the cold water lies in the stomach like a stone. And in the cases of digestive disorder, it is the remedy for cholera asiatica, elements from ice cream, from fruits, from ice water, from decayed food. There is elements from alcoholism, from tobacco, from sea bathing, or anthrax poisoning, or stings of venomous insects. In the cases of diarrhea, the diarrhea of arsenic works from eating and drinking. It is the remedy for cholera asiatica, and diarrhea with great prostration, with offensive stool, dark stool, and in the cases of children, arsenic is the remedy for very fretful children, wants to be carried rapidly, particularly during teething time. It is one of the great remedy for hemorrhoids when there is great burning, and this burning is relieved by hot application. And in the cases of skin troubles, arsenic is one of the remedy when there is ulcer with high edges, with darkness, with burning, and acrid discharges, offensive discharges from that ulcer. In the cases of cancer, it is the remedy for cancer of face, cancer of lips, and it is also the remedy for leprosy with white or yellow spots. Arsenic is the remedy for acute coryza when it is watery and when there is burning in the nose, and this coryza is better by taking warm drinks. In the cases of eye troubles, it is the remedy for inflammation of eyes with acrid or excoriating lacrimation. In the cases of respiratory complaints, arsenic is one of the good remedy for asthma. When there is constriction in the chest, when there is fear of suffocation, and when there is aggravation in the evening and at night, the patient cannot lie down, patient must sit up and bend forward. Uh, this respiratory complaints worse while ascending. There is great dyspnea, and lastly, the complaints of arsenic worse annually, worse during midday and midnight, 12 to 2 a.m. and 1 to 2 p.m. aggravation is the peculiarity of arsenic.